going to read a story to you. Let me read it to you. The title is The Monkey and the Crocodile. Let's read it now to you. Once, a crocodile and his wife lived in a river. There were many fruit trees along the river bank. A monkey lived in one of the fruit trees. Oh, I understood now. This story is about the monkey and the crocodile, you guys. One afternoon, a crocodile came to rest on the riverbank. The friendly monkey gave him some fruit to eat. Oh, good. That is very good, you guys. You have to share. The crocodile enjoyed the fruit and started coming every day. The monkey and the crocodile became good friends. Oh, you guys, I know about this. Do you have friends? I have friends, a lot of friends. But I'm not in my grandma's house. In my grandma's house, I have a lot of friends. Let's go to the next page, you guys. Oopsie. One day, the monkey sent some fruit for the crocodile's wife. The greedy wife ate all the fruit and loved it. Oh, no. It's very bad habit. You don't be very greedy, you guys. It's very bad habit, you guys. Let's go to the next page. If something bad, I'll tell to you. The monkey who eats this fruit must have a tasty heart, she said. The wife convinced the crocodile to get the monkey's heart for her. Next page. That is very bad, you guys. The monkey going to be very sad with his heart. What going to happen next? Next day, the crocodile invited the monkey home for dinner. Oh no, the crocodile going to eat his monkey's heart. Oh no, I'm so scared, you guys. Let's go. In the middle of the river, the crocodile told his friend the truth. The truth. What the crocodile going to tell the truth to the monkey? Let's see. My wife wants to eat your heart. That is why I'm taking you home. Oh, said the monkey. But I have left my heart in the tree. The monkey is telling a lie. It's good. You have to tell a lie if you do bad things. Let's see. They went back and the monkey quickly escaped. Phew, the monkey quickly escaped from the crocodile. That's great. Oh, and the moral is, presence of mind can save us from trouble. That's it. Do you understand the story, you guys? Huh? Okay, bye everybody. See you next